I'm really nervous. It's been since before the pandemic since I did an unboxing for YouTube. But I had someone reach out to me on YouTube and say that they missed my unboxings and my demos. And so can I start up again? So I'm starting up again, I guess. I don't know how long I'll be able to hang in there if I don't get any views. But I'm going to go ahead and try it and see what happens. For those of you who are kind enough to miss me. All right, so today I have, and this week I have several unboxings, so I'll have some stuff for you guys. Today I have an unboxing from BathnBodyMagick. And there's some cute stickers on here. They're all creepy, like stickers. I can't even remember where I saw it. Sort of like this, you know, little creepy stickers. Because BathnBodyMagick is a witchy shop, so she does a lot of creepy. And as you guys know, I love creepy. So I got a few things. I hadn't purchased from her in a while because during the pandemic, I, was running my own business, and I, as a business owner, people, you don't have the extra funds to be investing in stuff. But since I had to close down my business because the pandemic jacked it up, I'm back to the office working in the corporate world. So now I have the time and the resources to buy more bath bombs. All right, so what do we have here? This one actually looks amazing. This is scented in gummy bears, which is really not my favorite scent. But when I saw this on the website, it's called Platform. When I saw it on the website, I thought I'd give it a try because I saw peeking out of the edges in one of the pictures, I think, that there was like embeds right to the edge. I love an embed right to the edge. That's my weakness. I really don't like to have bath bombs sit in my tubs, especially because I record them. Even though I don't post them on YouTube, I do shorter videos for Instagram. And I hate just sitting there waiting. Finally, the color comes out after 5 minutes. That's a hassle. So I actually love when the embeds are right to the edge. And the more bath bombs that I buy from certain vendors, if I see that they're not putting them to the edge, I eventually stop. I lose interest, right? Another thing that makes me lose interest is if the embeds are not right to the edge and they're all white and all they do is paint over them, I also don't like them because I like color to hit my bathtub immediately. So if your color isn't all the way to the edge and all I have to see in my tub is white for a while, that's not my thing. I don't like white bath bombs. I'm a color girl. So this is white, but the embeds are all the way to the edge. So I'm okay with that. Let's see what else we have in here. We have, I'm trying to go quickly because I don't even remember how long I used to make these videos before, and I probably should have opened these beforehand. All right. This one's going to be a problem. I'll have to cut it open very carefully because this is the Creeper, which does not get enough credit. In my opinion, he does not get enough credit in the Creeper world, right? In all the horror movies that you see, I do love all of them, so I'm not downing any one of them. But Jason gets all these kudos. Michael Myers get all these kudos. Where is this guy? Why don't we have more stuff of this guy, right? He's freaking creepy. For me, he's probably creepier than the other ones. The other ones are just, people killing people, right? But this guy's an actual creature, and I find very creepy. Anyway, this is Creeper, and it's scented in Naughty Negligee. By the way, I didn't tell you the other one. Oh yeah, I did tell you, gummy bears. But I do see that it is cracked in the back, and also on his little cap right there is cracked. He's cracked. It's still gonna work amazingly in the tub. Hopefully the embeds are to the edge on this. I can't tell, but it's a white bath bomb. I'll have to open it very carefully. So it's still gonna, work. So it's not like I'm gonna be, oh, my bath bomb came in broken. I don't do that. I just use it anyway. But it's just not so okay for demos, right? Because you want your demos to be perfect, and this does not look like it's going to be perfect. And more than likely, this happened in shipping. All right, see, and that was a white bath bomb, as I mentioned. So I don't know how long it's going to take for the embeds to show, but this one is a blue bath bomb. So it's all the way blue. Thank you very much. So even if the embeds aren't to the edge, which I can't tell on this one, I'll get a color show pretty quickly. the second it hits the water, there's going to be blue color. So this one is called Cotton Candy, and it's scented in pink sugar, which, by the way, is one of my favorite bath scents. Oh, I was covering up the cone. I hope I'm even holding these things up right. I used to be so good at this. I don't even know that I'm doing that right. And then I also got this guy, which I already knew was going to be white because of who he is. Trying to check for cracks. This is Art the Clown, like the little sticker on the top. Thank you for supporting my business. And he is scented in, also Naughty Negligee. I do see cracks, but I think this isn't cracked all the way through. I think it's just a little crack on the back. But it's pretty cute. Would have been nice if the eyes were like a different color or whatever. But he's pretty much, you know, devoid of color. His hat is all cracked up too. Oh, USPS gets on my nerves. And then, I ordered 3, I ordered 4, yes. And then I just ordered this last one just because I hadn't ordered from her in a while, and I really wanted to show her a little bit of support, and I just felt like 3 bath bombs weren't enough. I have no interest in this guy at all whatsoever. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not into the movies that he's in. Oh, it smells so good though. Oh gosh, maybe that's why I got it. His ear is broken already. That's a bummer, because I could have made a really good video with this one. So if you see, his little ear is already cracked. When I open it, that ear is just gonna fall off. But anyway, he of course is devoid of color. I think he's a little creamy color. But he's called House Elf, and he is in ripe blueberries, and it smells amazing. This was the one that when you opened up the box, the whole scent came out of the box. So again, this one wasn't one I was excited about. I just threw it in, you know, to give her a little more support. And thank you very much. I had not bought from her in a while. I felt bad because I really do like her stuff, and she was one of the first people I was buying bath bombs from. And then I just fell off, and I hope she didn't take it personally. I fell off from everybody. I was running a business. All my money was going into the business, so I might have had 1 or 2 people that I would buy from occasionally, but I had to drop a lot of people. And unfortunately, Crystal was one of them, although she is amazing. And here is her card. And on the back of the card, it has all of her contact information: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and her email. Then I got another little card with I think it's a sticker, BathnBodyMagick sticker. And some delicious, oh wow, cherry. Some delicious candy. And who does not like candy? I like candy. So that is it. That is all. And let me tell you the prices on these if you guys are interested. By the way, her pricing is always amazing. So if I buy a bath bomb, usually from other folks, if I buy a bath bomb for $6, it's usually a small bath bomb. Usually I end up paying like $10 or $11 for a regular size bath bomb, which for me, a person who takes a bath every night because of back issues, it can get very expensive. So my bath, if I'm buying a bath bomb that's $10 to $15, that's $10 to $15 a day that I'm spending on my crack. I can't be spending that on crack. So sometimes I buy smaller bath bombs. But anyway, so we had the platform, and the platform, $6.35, y'all. Look at the size of that. $6.35. Yes, I know I make ugly faces. I don't care. I don't care. And then the next one was the House Elf, which is thicker than the platform, so it's heavier. And this one was $6.65. And then we have, I'm losing my sight. We had this one who's smaller, so $5.50. Still a pretty big bath bomb. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then the creeper was $6.89. And then, wait a minute, I don't think I got Art the Clown. I thought I bought him. I guess I just didn't buy him. I really thought I bought him because I like Art the Clown, and I know that she does great Art the Clown. I've purchased Art the Clown from her before in coffin shapes and things like that. But I thought I ordered it, but I guess I didn't. So guess what? That's why it says thank you, because it's a free gift. Come on now. my total on this shipment. Oh, and I got free shipping. If you buy 3 items, you get free shipping, right? So the total for all of these was only $25.39 for all of these bath bombs, which of course includes the free one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bath bombs for $23.59. You can't beat that because I usually spend like $60 on bath bombs and get the same amount. Like literally, I mean, I'm not going to say the other ones aren't worth it. They are. But I just don't have that money that I used to. Well, I guess I do now that I'm back in the corporate world making the good corporate money. So I will be back this week later on because I have something coming from Peaches of a Goddess and something from Bathing Nerdy. And as time goes on, I will continue to show you some more unboxings and bath bomb demos. For those of you that don't know, I have a business now that I started during the pandemic when I was bored with my business shutdown. It's called Inky Mac Wax, and it is on Shopify. And I sell the most amazing, colorful, hand-painted, strongly scented, scent lasts for 2 days on my wax melts. Creepy all year round, pretty all year round, and tons of customs that you can order at any given time. My shop is never closed. So if you see a shape that you want that's in my shop, you can go to the scent list, pick out your scent, and I'll make it for you fresh with the scent of your choice. You can even mix scents and say I want 50% strawberry pound cake and 50% buttercream, whatever it is. So check out my Shopify site. I'm going to put it down at the bottom. So you can check me out. And I'm also going to put BathnBodyMagick's stuff on the bottom as well, so you can check her out as well. Anyway, I hope I did okay. I feel so scared. Like I don't know what I'm doing anymore, guys. So I look 10 years older, by the way. Didn't most people age 10 years during the pandemic? I may have. All right, guys. So that's it. And hopefully I can get back in the groove since a couple of you guys, even if it is just 2 or 3, you missed me a little. I appreciate even if it's just 1. So I'm going to try get back in the groove, and I'm sorry that I had to have you guys miss me. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys on the next one.